so I'm trying to hurry up and pack up my things. I'm gonna meet up with my friend, have dinner, and hang out. I think I'm gonna stay over there at their place. Super excited. This place was awesome. And Willie are just chilling. We are at my friend Mike's house in Port Townsend at the tippy top of the state. And I was gonna go out and explore a little bit because my buddy went to work, but I am just chilling. I'm in their sweet backyard all by myself in a hammock. I didn't even have to bring my own. And I got my book. And, yeah, life is really fucking good. Oh, and I'm trying to go whale watching tomorrow. And that's crazy. But I want to find someone. I just had a great idea, so I'm looking on Rover for somebody to watch Willie.